Hello everyone, Mr. Jason's here with maribakumon, showing you
the 100 input combination lock. And trust me, this is a big one. Yeah, good luck, suckers. There's a chunk error here with skeletons and zombies, but I don't think this is the entire lock. Let's see, is it? This is only number 60. 0 is way down there. 50. And then there's a lot more, but I'm getting chunk errors. But seriously, that's the victory room. Yep. I think I might have hit some. Oh well. But the thing is, this is a huge combination lock. This was used by the mechanism that I made for the world's smallest three combination lock. And as soon as I can get stuff open, okay, here we go. Now I will make the 3 combination lock for you. I just have to give myself the necessary materials.
And as he does that, I will demonstrate how to win the fun way. Point your direction over here. And this is how you win.
That's not how you win.
I forgot that I have anti-TNT.
Oh, wow. Okay, now on to the mini thingy. Okay then, this is how you make it. Well, it's not how you make it, it's just how it's made from scratch. Yeah, Kyle, your server lags for me quite a bit.
I don't care.
I know you don't. Okay, then I'm almost done with it. Kyle's server lag decides to kill me. Sorry guys, sorry if this takes a while. It's not that complicated, but it can take some time.
Al, there's a zombie inside of your contraption.
I know. Zombies decide to spawn in there.
Oh, there's also a skeleton, a creeper.
They spawn in here because it's dark.
Another zombie. Another zombie, another creeper, 2 skeletons.
You do that while I...
chunk error, and that's all.
Okay then. This is almost completed product. To program this, to create the combination, you vary between redstone torches and redstone dust in between the inputs. I normally do this when I just put a 3 combination lock. So yeah, and I failed to give myself levers. If I wanted to be really mean, then I would have put buttons instead of levers.
Oh, wow.
I would have been really mean. Actually, that would be literally impossible. Nobody could press the buttons fast enough. I don't care how fast you can click. You would not be able to press it fast enough. Dude, I got the messed up lever glitch.
That's nice. Well.
Waits for it to work. Okay, it screwed up again. Okay then. This would be your correct input. All right. This is how it would be default if lag decides to catch up with me. There we go. That would be. This is the default. All right. It's a pretty simple.
Maury, would you enjoy looking behind yourself?
This is a fat person's dream house. Okay then. Now back to the world's smallest 3 combination lock. Feel free to tell me if I'm wrong, if this is not the world's smallest 3 combination lock. But this is pretty small when it comes to 100 combination lock, because this is the combination. This is all it. This is all the mechanics. Very small, very compact and small, the same thing. But they all work either way. It's very simple, very small. And this is the win room. Multiple floors of winning awesome sauceness.
And I just broke in.
And you just broke in. And you will not give away the secrets that lie within.
What if I take a screenshot of them?
You can take a screenshot, but it's not going anywhere.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. If it does go somewhere, then I will kill you.
If you can find me!
I will find you, and I will kill you.
No! I will hide the secret forever. In a giant cake destruction.
Giant cake destruction. I would eat this cake if I could, but I can't, so I won't. So yeah. Very simple, very compact. Best combination lock. And it's very simple.
Well, there are actually signs on the cake.
You put signs on the cake.
Exciting.
Dude, you got rid of... You literally destroyed all the redstone. Okay, then this is no longer the 100 combination lock. This is the cake.
It is a lot of blocks. 127,296 cake. Could you do that legitimately?
I'm trying to break the cake. Oh, I lost connection.
Well, I'm falling through the cake. Ah! I fell through the cake.
I lost connection, and it's taking forever to tell me that I lost connection. Okay, I guess this is a good time to end the video. So, this has been maribakumon and Mr. G Sense for Primary.
Hey, I'll say my own outro!
Okay,
It's been Mr. G Sense here. See you guys next time, Mr. G Sense out. Mario's a douchebag. See you guys next time, Mr. G Sense out.
Okay, and this has been Primary Bluefire. I am maribakumon. And
I'm Mr. G Sense, and I like tacos.
And we will see you guys in the next video.
Chuck E. Cheese.